Say hi. Hi. Maddie's new obsession is blowing on my arm. Maddie. Are you going to do it? Are you going to do it? She just wants to look at herself. Oh, look at that chunker. Look at that chunker. And her pigtails. Do you want to blow on my arm? That's what she's been doing all morning. Hey. You like that? Just got her pigtails today. Just rocking them first time. Looking good. One last one.